Good morning, traders. How y'all doing? Welcome to the Delta X stream. And welcome to the Monday session. We are officially opening the week with Nasdaq trading at 29,383. We saw some massive volatility to the closeout last week. And right now, the index is consolidating just below our primary resistance level. We've got a resistance level breakout target on Nasdaq at 29,586. Resistance 3 at 29,408. Pivot point at 29,351. If you're looking for a bounce spot that you can take a safe long, I would be looking for 29,054. And if you're looking for a breakdown on the Nas, look for 28,877 for a solid confirmation for the downside. We're hovering right around the pivot, and resistance 3 at 29,408 level is the immediate ceiling. If momentum pushes us into that zone, wait for a rejection and a potential short scalp back to the pivot. If buyers can chew through resistance 3 with high volume, the breakout target is 29,586. Don't get chopped up in the middle of the range and wait for to test the extremes. Let's pivot to commodities board because the macro picture is what's driving everything right now. Crude oil. Oil is the anchor for the entire market's inflation fear. The US-Iran statement has stretched on, showing absolutely zero signs of a near-term resolution. As long as the Straits of Hormuz situation remains paralyzed, oil has a structural floor underneath it. Any headline regarding the escalation or a supply choke will immediately spike prices and send indices tumbling. Gold is taking a brutal hit this morning. The problem for precious metals market is the bond route. With the 10-year yield surging, the opportunity cost of holding a zero yield asset like gold is too high for institutional money. Until we see yields cool off, gold will continue to face heavy overhead selling pressure. A new segment I'm bringing in is Stock of the Week. NVIDIA. If there's one single ticker you need on the radar this week, it's NVIDIA. They report earnings this Wednesday after close. And this print will dictate the direction of the entire sector. Nasdaq has previously guided for $300 billion in calendar 2026 revenue, and the street is demanding perfection. Hyperscale capital expenditure plans for the mega cap tech giant shows no signs of slowing down. Demand for AI infrastructure remains robust. The real wild card here is the supply chain. Can NVIDIA's manufacture chips fast enough to meet the backlog, especially with global tensions running high? We will be watching the options chain closely this week on this one, as implied volatility is going to be massive heading into Wednesday afternoon. And that's your morning brief for you guys. Let's see what we got on the news scanner today. It looks like all we've got is a 3 and a 6 year bond auction coming up in about 3 hours. So other than that, should have a very natural, organic moving market. Market now sitting a positive 0.46 after being down more than 0.5% in the overnight session. What's up, Nova Tech? Good morning. Hey, thanks for sending me the same message on 2 different platforms. Obviously, you're spam. And no, I will not want to talk to you. Oh, you want to subscribe? There is a subscribe. You can subscribe on either of the channels. Sorry, man. Wait, it's the same thing, man. I think you are a spammer. We'll see, though. Right now, we got a morning ceiling sitting at 29,482 here going into the morning session. Let's look at the overnight session. Yep, that is our overnight high right now on the market. Still in this. Looks like we might get a little selling. Looks like the oscillator wants to turn red. Hopefully we can get out of that trade real quick. Coming up to the open, still got 15 minutes. Nice recovery from the overnight selling. It looked like the market was really going to turn. All the All the time frames are starting to turn down, and they made a nice turnaround and comeback for us. So we'll see. News is U.S. and Iran are working on a peace negotiation, some kind of compromise, ceasefire. Who knows at this point? At this point, we're just keeping our ears to the ground. All right, let's see if we can get some friends in from BC. And if you guys are interested, have questions, want to learn about trading, just jump in the Discord or shoot a question in the chat. Love to answer any of your questions related to trading. Let's take a look at NVDA. We're talking about that right now. Let's do extended hours. Kind of wanted this trade. Put some music on for the morning session. What do you guys think? Let's see. Make sure we get some DRM free music. I don't need YouTube on my butt again because I know that they love it. Kind of waiting to see what the market's going to do. We're already long in this account right now, a little down. So we should get out of this trade fairly quick, I hope. I'm already up like 250 in my other PA. I was able to hit the next gen pretty well. So we took a nice little cash on that one. 250, stopped it for the day. So now we're working on the Lucid. We've got a 250 goal. And if we make that, we get paid today. I am looking forward to it. So close. 275 to be exact. 275 and we get a cash out. So I'm very motivated and excited for this account. All right, there we go, team. Sorry about that. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pullback here now. Got about 9 minutes till the open, team. $377. Right there. Oh man, looks like we might dip pretty low here on this thing. A little bit of bearish divergence on the sub time frames. Bears are fighting the push. Bulls are here though. Is that it? Got the bull stepping in. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna push up. I want to see if we're gonna just get that push up. Maybe. We'll see how far she goes. Come on, bulls. Come on. Just that ripper. Damn it. I moved it too fast. You want $5? I was too aggressive. I was too aggressive on the stop. I should have waited a little. Dang it. Oh man, I should have waited on that stop. Oh. Oh. Wow. They want to let it get up there, huh? They're going to try to bring us down to the 200 on the 30-second. That would be 29,296. Got 5 minutes away from the bell team. Yeah. We hold this though. That's a better question. Oh, and I think we just took profit. Nope. So close. Wow. Okay, bulls are here. That's a pretty big volume spike right there. Let's see what we're gonna do here, boys. Ugh, nasty. All right, let's see how this works for us. We got some nasty lows put in the overnight session. I will say that. Overnight low sitting at 29.04. Oh, that's actually lower than that. Overnight low at 28,924. Right now, the market looking. We got a little bull flag there on the 10-minute. So, let's see how this holds up for us. Hopefully, well, give it that nice push up, and we'll continue our upside trajectory. Otherwise, expect some downside here in the morning in the open. Less than a minute away now. Good luck, traders. Keep your sizing small. Manage your positions and don't marry your bias. Stay flexible. You never know which direction the market will turn. So. And ding, 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 there's your bell, team. Good luck. Let's get it. Let's get paid. Let's get paid, team. Market pulling back a little here at the open. Stocks moving down 5% here at the open. Russell pushing upward quite nicely. Take a look at RTY. Dude, RTY is doing. Okay. So it looks like the same similar pattern as MNQ. Although the Qs look like they kind of want to sell a little right now. Be very careful, team. There's that pullback on it. Well, let's see how far the pullback is before we get continuation to the upside. Getting close to that 200, like I mentioned. SPY has a gap to the downside. Oh. Wow. Ew, it's gross. And like a sell signal here on the Nas now. Oh my goodness. It's gross. Oh, great. Well, that's going to fuck Apex up. I know that for a fact. They're going to not like this at all. They're going to be pissed. It looks like we're trying to close the gap to the downside, like on the IWN and everything else. It's pretty crazy. If we hold this, I'm about ready to take an entry on this, but not looking too healthy to the upside. It's like it may want to push a little lower. The volume just doesn't seem to be on the upside. Or down 0.07% for the day. Yeah, market's still selling. Oh man. Bybit is selling. I'm gonna see if I can short IBIT on the options chain. I'm gonna take I've got a bid on 43.50 puts, or 24 cents. I got a 20-cent bid on them. I'm gonna see if I can pick up like 4 of those. Oh, man. I'm gonna see if I can get the 43s. They're like 9 cents. Like I put an 8-cent bid on them. I just grabbed the $43 put on iBit. And I scooped up like 9 of those for 8 cents, like I said. So let's see if we can fade iBit for the morning session. Busted. Wow. Well, there goes the PA. There goes the PA. Well, it is what it is, right? There goes NAS pushing lower. Like the sellers got it. We're going to have a pretty nasty sell on the market. See if iBid does the same. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. All right, guys, y'all have a good day. I love you. Me. Yes, sir. Have a great day, Pat. Thank you all. Love you, Max. Have a good day. That wasn't the right trade. No, my IBIT short is flat right now. But let's see if the market keeps selling. There's the sells kicking in now. IBIT puts are up 1% now. Iran revised proposal demands a permanent end to the war and lifting sanctions alongside reopening of the Straits of Hormuz. Tehran will discuss its nuclear issues in a later stage. All right, well, I guess let's go ahead and set up our orb for the day. We got one now. Hey, D.
Hello.
Rizzler's live, by the way, so. Yeah, but I can mute. You guys are muted now. Oh, damn.
Another reason for buying is the overall selling pressure is actually not that big. This is the delta of the move. This part where it had the initial move up, it correlates. Everything up here, it's fine, it's going up. But this big move down, it actually didn't move down that much. I think it's a really low conviction move. It's just to stop people out and to grab new liquidity. So I was comfortable, taking a long because of this delta position as well.
If it is if it's downwards, then you wouldn't.
If it's downwards, I would probably skip fading. I would try to short into this.
Okay.
I think there's another case, I think last week. Last week was, this was here. This was basically last week. End of the day, You see, roughly from here, all this is fine. It's pretty much delta, step by step over here. Starting from this point on, 2 p.m. Eastern on Friday, this is consolidating, but the delta is straight down, straight down, straight down. That means there's no insider selling or people who know something. They're trying to take big positions here. And they're trying to not let the price action go too low so they can keep filling themselves. And this entire delta realized on Monday when, look how much it dropped.
Yeah.
So, these are not immediate price actions, but things, sometimes you have to take into considerations when behind the scene. The order flow is the behind the scene engine of the market, things that people normally won't be able to see, the intentions of the big guys.
You do confluences things when they align, like several things align together, then it gives you a strong indication to buy or sell.
Mm-hmm.
Like how you just took a buy from the VWAP, you have the delta giving you a sign to buy.
Mm-hmm.
They all work together. Yes, there was a very big down movement, but everything was telling you buy, and yeah, that's why it worked. I do understand like everything in your chart, and like all these indicators I'm familiar with.
You say you understand or don't understand?
I understand.
Okay, good. What I find myself missing is a rolling delta profile. Like this one here is for the entire session, right? Which is useful at the beginning. But in the afternoon, it starts to lose its effectiveness. I need a way to reset this for, I don't know the criteria to make it look good, but maybe every few hours, or I can customize an hour, a time for that. That'd be great. That's what I'm trying to find. Either find or build.
If you double click on the indicator itself, does it give you like the settings and how many market open hours? Like, does it?
Yeah, right here. It does give me, but I need two, right? I need both the
because it usually calculate by the amount of candles. Like if it says 7 open hours, so 17 hours, it calculates the candles. So if you can modify it in terms of like how many candles it goes back to to make its calculations, then you would be able to modify it. So if it's like 60 candles in 60 minutes, then you want it only for 1 minute, or you want it for like 120 minute, or you want it for like that's this way you can manage how much back it goes to calculate. You understood what I mean, right?
I know, like I told I've either try to build one myself or find one
What's the
that
indicator
does
code?
Tradeovate. It's called Sesmo Price Axis Volume Delta.
Wait, let me put it.
He also creates the large delta bubbles on Tradeovate too, which is awesome.
Yes.
It's all free.
Yeah. Set price access volume delta, right? How many how many hours do you want it to
I think it's better to put on candles. How many bars?
so how
It
many
should,
bars?
like rolling bars. You know, obviously, I mean, something that should be configurable, right? So, you know, you can put a default at 120 bars, but something user can change at will.
Is there a way to script in Tradeovate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look like a long again, but I don't need to trade right now. Fuck. Maybe I just buy a new account.
That's pretty choppy right now.
Yeah.
You know, a little bit of pullback now, Nas. Even the SPY.
Position. Let's see, stop back here.
An open source indicator in GitHub.
Yeah, there are a lot of open source ones.
No, this one specifically is actually on GitHub. It's done by a guy called Elnar.
Broke the orb high now, right in the middle of the 15-minute opening range. Under will test the bottom or will bounce right here.
Here's and try this.
Excuse.
On those Bitcoin shorts right now.
Gives you any error when you script, just screenshot the error. I'll patch it.
Yeah, thanks. This looks more short now than anything. Looking for break and retrace to get on it. Delta have conviction this time. But unfortunately, I do not have time for this next trade. I gotta go to a quick doctor's appointment.
Alrighty. We'll see you later then.
Yep, talk to you guys later. Good luck.
Yeah, see.
Thank you, sir. Bitcoin doing?
Oh. I haven't looked at it for a while now. Oh. You know, the most amount of money I ever made in trading was on which coin?
Yeah.
Fucking Pepe. I was just one of the lucky ones that knew about it before it blows.
Buddy.
And it like, I don't know, it was like fucking above like 1,800, something 1,900%.
Oh, wow. I had a Friday option that ran 1,400%.
It was just pure luck. I wouldn't say like someone just told me like fucking buy that coin, and I went in. I can't remember. I put like fucking $700 or something, and just like ended up. I can't remember. It was a big amount. Dog water trader, is it someone from the community, right? From the trading
Okay.
manager, right? Just texting me. You aware of him, Rizla?
Yeah, I know trade manager. I know Steph.
No, the dog water trader. Someone from that community is messaging me.
Oh, no, I don't know that community.
Okay.
trying to catch a bit. It looks like the market. Oh, and there goes high bit. Hmm. Really weird. USO looks like it wants to press up. I'll send the market down. That's fine. The Qs are making like a W.
Oh, yesterday Kat was talking, Kat was talking about the tick data, and
Mm-hmm.
was wondering if it was possible to uh, um, do it from Kaggle. I think Kaggle it was the website he shared,
Mm-hmm.
and yes, it is possible. Not very accurate, but possible. I was I was researching after I finished the after I closed. I sat a little bit and searched about it, and I think it is doable. But I mean, he's also still having some manual uh, things that he does at the end, like even forward testing.
Mhm.
I also want to like do it like bot the forward testing, like get to hand it off people or say, oh, I have a working model, I want to back test and forward test all with bots. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Still think I'll have something today with the I'll do the subscription today, like in the evening. I'll pay for it and start testing, executing and um, uh, monitoring just
Mhm.
from I'll let it do everything, like back test, forward test, execute, and give reports after. Just waiting for a pay, and then I'll subscribe. I'm actually very excited for it. Also downloaded like few books from very
Beetle was cigarette.
old traders.
And it looks like a bear flag on the 9 if they can't buy this up. Come on, bulls. What's up, Mr. White? Good to see you. How you doing this morning? Happy Monday. I jumped in some QQQ calls. I picked up 712s. Let's see if we can tap the morning high. Nvidia bouncing. No, I don't know who those folks are, brother. Okay, now we're working. Now we're cooking. Catch that bid. Put my stop in. Whew. The hell of a move right there. Come on, baby, send this thing. Come on, bulls. I'm up 22% on these calls now. Let's see if we can get a 1,000%. Or what do you think, Big D?
1,000%. See that, man.
1,000%. That'd be 10. That'd be 1,000. Wait, no, that'd be 10,000.
$10,000.
Come on. Don't let it fade. Don't stop me out. Oh, you bastards.
Yeah, it was $14,000 for my Pepe trade. Good old crypto shitcoins. Pepe is not shitcoin anymore. It is, but yeah.
Not down that long on the Qs. I was waiting on the NAS. Oh, Bitcoin flushing. Let's see if we get a short that works here on the NAS. At the bottom. Come on, Bears. Use that fade. Damn. Fuck. Fuck. Damn, that sucks. USO is going to press up again. Crude oil catching that bid. Went and scooped up some 702 puts on the Qs. with USO pressing towards the upside, I'm expecting us to have a little bit more downside. About 20% on these puts now. Iran saying they're not going to give up their nukes. Come on, Bears. What's that fade? Look at that overnight low. Come on, Bears. Give us that fade. Do it. Oh, man. Come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. Oh, hell no. Fuck, man. You fucking bastards. Oh, man. Well, give it to me. Wow. Wow. They just ripped those puts. God damn it, man. Man, those puts just doubled. Fuck. Man. What's up, JD?
Oh.
I gotta take a call real quick. I'll be right back with you guys. All right, I'm back. Sheesh. The Q is still slipping down. USO ripping to the upside. Like silver ripping up as well. It's got a gap to the upside all the way at $20. Look at the Qs. Man, those oh, I don't even know what my puts are at right now. What 707 puts? They're 316 a contract right now. Fuck. Over 100% on those puts now. Son of a bitch. That just ruins my day. Down 5% on the day here on the Nas. Looks like we're gonna be going for lows now. Let's see what we do at this reversal spot. I don't think the bulls are gonna buy it though. I think we're gonna take that low out. Dang, we're gonna get that slide. Car down 5% for the day. Oh, damn, that could have been a great trade. Those puts are now at $4.13 a contract now. From $154 are sitting at $412 a contract now. I put my stop way too close on those. I should have let it ride a little bit more. And crude oil might just break out. See if we get a pullback here on the NAS and we can attempt a short on this. IWN slipping now as well. Breaking lows. Make that up. Well, let's see how far this pullback is for us. Maybe we can get an entry on it for short. Use it might buy the reversal spot according to the Caramarilla levels. If we can hold this, we should continue to bounce up. USO hitting a rejection. Might just be a little cool off for USO and the NAS. want to see this bearish trend hold. Come on, bears.
Hey Siri, open trading view. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
I'll be back, guys.
Come on. There we go. Come on, bears. Come on, faded, baby. Get my refund. Come on, bears. USO starting to rip back up to the upside. Pretty volatile here. Come on. Damn, man. Can't give me more than that. Just, sheesh. Bastards. Well, everybody took off. Where'd everybody go? Ah, a bunch of folks with me in VC. Everybody's gone already. How you guys doing on the interwebs? You guys having a good trade day so far? I'm kind of struggling. I got my next gen account up 250, but the Lucid account is down $230. We were about $260 from getting the payout in. Man, you know, the market is just not giving it to us today. It's been difficult. Pretty choppy session here so far. No clear moves on the market, you know. USO looks like it's making a topping candle on the 3-minute. You got that bear flag that we just broke down from. Usually you get bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. So I'm waiting for the next bear flag myself. Like energy might be catching another bid again. Let's see how far NAS pushes up before it continues downward. This is almost like yesterday's action. Let's go back and look at those Qs again. 707s. They dropped down to 279. But the 1 through the 1 minute all the way up to the 1 hour are all bearish right now. So what else can we get into that would be cheap? SPY puts might be cheap. 143 for a 737 put. Looks like USO is going to break out. It's pretty darn close to it. If it can get a candle above 150, expect a breakout. Right, continuation here on the market here to the downside though.
What's up, nerd?
What's up, Cat?
What's going on, buddy?
I'm trying to catch a short here, man.
Oh, should have been positioned last week, man.
Yeah, but I don't swing trades. I
No.
do like zero DTEs.
That's the thing is like I do swing though, so it's like when I see that, it's like, oh yeah, my whole account's like way up today.
Nice.
Everything should keep dumping like it's supposed to, but you know how it is. Watch your trades. Like I could sell right now and have 100% on a trade. Like I'll take that. You know what I mean? I don't need 120 baggers. I don't need 120 baggers right now, you know?
Yeah, I hear you.
Or 1,000 baggers. I don't know. 100 baggers? What do they call them now? I don't know what the DGens call them. The AI used that language against me, and I was like, what the fuck are you talking about, dude? What do you mean, baggers?
Wow, they're talking about rate hikes for 2027 already now.
Of course they are.
I remember last year when I was saying it in the beginning of the year, I was like, you know, they're going to raise rates.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We don't have the money for that, dude. We don't have the money to keep running this shit like this. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? We ain't got money for that.
Mm-mm.
Considering Trump just paid himself out from us. Trump took him, the U.S. court, whatever. Paid himself out. Fucking piece of shit. We don't have money. I wish we had money.
Same here.
By we, I mean the U.S. government. Looks like my Starbucks. Starbucks didn't want to do the thing. But we still have London to get through.
Mm-hmm.
London could be the catalyst to the push downwards. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure yet either myself.
Because I have things that are supposed to go down, but they're not going down yet because they're being irrational. More irrational than me. I can't be as irrational as some of these fucking stock tickers.
The funny thing is, you got a little W forming on the NAS. USO still has a little bit of a bull flag there. Although the Qs did make a bear flag earlier and broke down, so we're pressing the top of it right now. So it's really interesting to see if we can get higher or if it's just going to sell from here. SPY looks like it's rolling over, getting some volatility in it.
I like volatility. They're not gonna let this fucking dump?
was it? 707s are still at 316 a
No, they're
contract.
not. I got to get out of this trade.
What are you in?
It's my put for Wolf. It's not gonna go where I want it to. Done. I'll take the profit. It's not gonna go where I want it. I just looked at it.
Yeah.
However, on the other hand, I will take the long on it now.
Or keeper? What the fuck was that?
That's fucking stupid. Imagine switching out your put for a fucking stock trade.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what it says to do. I can't argue something that's back tested more than I could test it forward. You know,
For sure.
that's what the thing says, then that trade is over. And I made my profit off of that put, and I should be happy about that. You know what I mean? The trade is successful,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So I'll buy a couple for the swing back up and sell tomorrow.
Well, at least you got time.
Time is on my side for this. You know. That's the cool thing is like time is absolutely on my side. We're at the bottom of the ATR. We're going to go back up. It's not going to come back down this week. Like, it's not going to come down any lower to where I wanted it to go, you know? So I'm not going to fight it. Don't fight the market. The market said my trade was over. I don't know if I'm trying to convince myself yet or... At least we're making more money.
Yeah. Let's see if I can pick up a QQQ 703 put. I got a bid for $1.28 on it. I think I missed it though. I think it's gonna rip without me already. Oh yeah, there it is, 160. Yep. And there she goes. Oh man, 185. Oof. Iran's offer is insufficient and risks war resumption, according to the Newswire.
But why does the market just feel like it's just all trying to blow off top right now?
I don't think the market looks like that at all.
Huh?
Your time frames on the NAS are all red up until the 2 hour. The 2 hours.
I'm not talking about the like individual stocks are all looking, not like ETFs themselves. Those are weighted. I don't,
Yeah.
I don't believe in them as much as I used to anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Just because, like, if Google has some great news, it's like everything still moves a weird way while the rest of the market's doing whatever, But I'm looking at like the same shape on a lot of things, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Maybe not like Microsoft. Holy shit, semiconductors are flying. Okay, I'm gonna watch GCTS.
Did semis are ripping? Oh yeah,
This
look at
semi is
NVIDIA.
ripping. I don't know why this semi is ripping. Did they have an earning? Not a very good one. Huh. That's the price they want. That's the price they got.
Mm-hmm.
Weirdos. Woo! 1% on my trade so far.
Well, let's see if Nas breaks down here into the new hour. We got 30 minutes left of the London. Will the Brits sell? I picked up some 704 QQQ puts. This is that time. Ooh, nice. Come on. Come on, Bears. Do it. Just puts a ripping. Am I stopping the money? Can she rip? Come on, Naz. Dump it. I'm up 33% on these puts. Will we get the acceleration here? This is my time and place. Come on, Naz. Do it. Dump it. Break it. Come on, Bears. Don't be cowards. Be strong. Be brave. No. Well, option support is green. I'm up 1.43% for the day now. Bears don't want this. Market catching the bid. If it holds, though. According to Caramarilla, we're in the buy reversal spot here on NAS. If we can hold above 29,054. Like USO rejecting these highs at 150.24. A little bit of a rejection. Let's hit the Nasdaq. So let's take a look at RTY. See what the Russell's doing. Yeah, Russell's still sliding. Trying. Come on, Bulls. Okay. Wow, looks like the sell gonna work. Maybe. Wow. Yeah, 704s went back to 205 from my 177. I didn't put the bid in for them. Nas is only down 0.65% for the day. I'm just being patient right now. I'm waiting for a good entry. Got 12 minutes to the close of London. We're going to push down further now. I think we're making another little bear flag here on the NAS.
Yeah.
Oh. Huh. So wicked.
Oof.
There goes the SPY. Probably gonna get that next leg down. Let's see.
Looks like they're exhausting all their volume.
Oh, I see the little bear flag right there. This is just them taking a breather. Let's just see if they put the foot on the gas and they really send it down. Come on. There goes the SPY starting to sell. Breaking. Come on. Come on, break it, girl. Do it.
You ready for some upside, buddy?
No, not yet.
Jesus God.
I want to take out the overnight lows. I want us to hit 28,922. That's what I want us to do on the NAS. You're on the bottom of the bear flag right now. You're breaking the bear flag down. You should have the next flag pulled down. So if you should get the push down to 28,925. I scoped up some 736 SPY puts, but I'm getting whipped on this back and forth. Like, give us that break. Come on, Nas, do it. We got the bond auctions coming up right now in a few minutes. Come on, Bears. Stop messing around. Got 5 minutes for the close of London.
Yep. I'm ready for that mean reversion.
Yeah, I think that's what a lot of people are thinking.
Had we not done like 2 volume exhaustions in a row, I would think we'd go lower.
Well, we're just cooling off.
Yeah, there's no.
Oh, man. Man, I hate the Bears. Can never give us a trend or anything. Come on. Goes USO starting to retest the intraday highs to the upside. Yeah, I was hoping that we wouldn't see the bounce until like closer towards the end of the day.
Yeah,
That's actually what I was hoping
agree
for.
with
I was
that
hoping for that
sentiment,
bounce.
Had I not started seeing the volume, like I said, had I not started seeing the volume exhaustion, I wouldn't think that there would be a flip coming sooner.
There she goes. Come on, Spy. Do it. Give it to me. I'm agreeing on this trade now.
702.
Oh. Talk to me. Come on, Bears. Put the gas on this thing. Come on, man. Got my stop in the money now. Spies are in the money now. We're up 24% on these puts now. Let's go. Come on, Spy. Dump it. Come on, Spy, do it. Don't buy it back. Come on, don't buy it back. Stopped out again. Oh, I stopped out again.
Flip it
But
and
I can't
reverse
complain.
it.
And I can't say
Flip it
anything
and
because
reverse.
it's cash money, so.
Yeah.
Good note, the option support is up 5%.
It's great.
Yeah. How much I picked those puts up for? Oh, my phone's on the way. All right, cat. What are we doing here? Pull back, rip. Man, I can't wait. That's gonna be nice. Tomorrow I get my new Pixel Fold, and I get a turn. I don't have to use a stupid iPhone anymore.
I'm still holding my call on QQQ.
You holding a QQQ call?
Yeah, I got to cheat. Cheap.
What's your strike?
7-Eleven, it's not going to get there.
Good.
That would be the actual mean reversion. We're only at -2. I don't expect us. We have a 88 point something % chance of going back. Probably not going to happen this session.
USO starting to sell.
But that doesn't mean I can't try to profit a little off of it through implied gains. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just have to be careful in a different way. Which is fine. I can do that. Look, we're up.
Congrats. Congrats.
I'm sorry, that was funny. Oh look, we're up. You just play it tight, because you have to on the bid and ask. That's all. Pre-planned moves, bro. Rip a little money. But yeah, everything I have says we're going kind of back up. Like the 15 minutes says we're going back to the 714. I don't believe that's happening this session.
Team. I want to fade this though.
Yeah. There's no volume.
USO is starting to sell a little here. Stop. Oh, no. Of course. Of course. Nasty rejection on the Qs. SPY still pushing upward though. Oh no, that's a contract I was looking at. Gaining value. The 736s are repping again. Like 143 right now. How much did I buy those for earlier? 164. That's what I paid for those. I'm gonna put a 124 bid on those 736s. See if I can catch it. I think it's too late. I think the fade's gonna happen. Pop up. And then you're gonna drop it. Come on, just give it a little bit more pop, and then you can drop it like it's hot. Come on. You're right though, the volume has dried up. Got real slow. Put my bid on those calls. Alrighty, team. I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream. We're about 16 minutes past the London close. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it here. We're pretty choppy here in the afternoon session. You know, made a few bucks in the morning session. We're up 5% in the cash port. We got one PA up almost $250. We got one PA down like 230. So I'm probably just going to hang in Discord with some of my friends and trade with them and stuff. I got a phone call I got to make, but if you guys want to hang out, learn about trading, find out how to get started trading, then jump into Discord. You know, myself and some of my other great friends that are analysts will be more than glad to answer your questions and help you in your trading career. Want to wish you guys a great afternoon. Good luck in the market. Like I always say, if you haven't made money in the morning session, then the day's already over. Check it out tomorrow and fight again tomorrow. Wait for the morning and see if you can catch your rep. Good luck in the market, team. I will see you all tomorrow.